Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Google Sheet and clicking Share in the top right. Once done, glance at the owner name to confirm you have permission to share. Next, choose whether to invite specific people or enable link access. This controls reach and security. Make sure to select a role, viewer, commenter, or editor, because that determines what others can change. You're beginning with access decisions, so the rest of the process is secure and intentional. Now invite collaborators or create a shareable link. You can type email addresses, choose their role, and add a brief message so recipients know why you shared. Alternatively, click Get Link, set the link role, and copy it for distribution. This is faster for groups. Make sure to check advanced options like expiration dates and whether editors can change permissions or download files. Those settings protect content. Once configured, press Send or Copy Link and finish by verifying that sharing worked. Test the link in an incognito window or ask a colleague to access the sheet. If someone has incorrect access, open Share, change their role, or remove them. If the link is too broad, revoke it and create a new one. Make sure domain-level restrictions aren't blocking external users and confirm recipient emails are correct. If access still fails, clear browser cache or wait a few minutes for Google's permission changes to propagate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.